In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and Account.squarespace.com. We're going to move from Squarespace's start page into your account dashboard and then into your website so you can add a blog page quickly and confidently. Open your browser and head to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the launchpad for new sites and for signing into existing accounts. If you're brand new, you can start a free trial and come back to these steps once your account is set up. If you already have an account, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. Click it. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your credentials securely and continue. If you're already signed in, you'll see options related to your account. From that profile menu, choose Account Dashboard. Think of the Account Dashboard as your control center across Squarespace products. It's where you can jump into your sites, manage settings, and access billing. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the section labeled Website. Click it. If you manage more than one site, you may be asked which one you want to open. Just select the site you plan to work on. You'll now land in your website's backend, where the main navigation appears along the left. Find and open the Pages panel. This is where you manage everything visitors see in your navigation, along with any pages you keep hidden or in progress. To create something new, look for the plus icon. Click the plus, and in the panel that appears, use the search bar to type blog. You'll see the blog page option, often alongside variations or templates. Choose blog to add it to your site. After adding the blog, give it a clear name, something your audience will recognize in your navigation. You can drag it to the main navigation if you want it visible in your menu, or keep it in a not linked area while you set it up. It's a good idea to check the page settings to adjust the URL slug, toggle whether it's listed in navigation, and confirm SEO basics like the page title and description. If your design uses summary blocks or index pages, your blog will automatically feed into those once it's published. Before you wrap up, preview the page to make sure it matches your site's look and feel, and save your changes. That's it. You've navigated from the Squarespace start page through your account dashboard, into your site, and added a fully functional blog page, ready for your first post. Thanks for watching, and happy building!